from Shanti class. Today we are going to do standard form and scientific notation using exponents. Right? Now, what are scientific notation? Is a kind of shorthand that can be used to write large or small numbers. Numbers are expressed in scientific notation as the product of two factors. Right, class? Okay. Now today we are going to expressing very large numbers and very small numbers in standard forms and in scientific form using exponent. Now, first case, when the numbers are very large. So let me take an example. It is given to us. You can see it is written 5 crores 98 lakhs. We have to express this in scientific notation. How will I express it? Always remember the decimal is after one, one significant figure there. So like if it is 598, it should be 5.98. So how will I write it? I'll write 5.9. But if I'm putting a point here, it means how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Am I right? So it will be 10 to the raised power 7. Just see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, because it will be 5.98. Now it is the product of 2. You can see to it. And if you see 5.98, it should always be greater than, it can be equals to 1 also, but it should be less than 10. I think you all have understood how to write it down. Let me take one more example. Let me take 7 4 9 1 2 3 4. Okay, now again, if I want to put it, I'll put 7.49. Then I should multiply it with how many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it is 10 to the raised power 6. So just see the decimal is here. It means how many places am I shifting it to the left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will be 10 to the raised power 6. And in first case, I shifted to how many places? I shifted on the left to the 7 places. I think it is clear to you. Right? Now let me take another example. 5.6. Write 5.6 into 10 to raise power 9 in standard form. Okay, class. How will I write it? I can write, let it be equals to 5.6. Now, I have to make it 56. So, let me take 110 inside and let me write 10 to the raise power 8. I think it become very easy. 5.6 into 10 means 56. It will be 56. And how many zeros will I put after that? 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is how I'm changing the very large numbers into standard form and in scientific notation. Now second case is when the numbers are very small. So I have taken an example. It is 0.12345 6 zeros are there and then 89. And I have to write this in scientific notation. So now what am I going to do? There are two ways of doing it. One way is I'll write this is equals to 89, right, upon how many decimal is after how many places? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So it is 10 to the raised power 8. I think you know this also. Now if I want to make it 8.9, so I can write 89, 110 I can write underneath that, and then it will be 10 to raise power 7. So it is 8.9 upon 10 to raise power 7. Is it clear to you, class? And if I write it, if I want to bring it up, so it will be 8.9 into 10 to raise power minus 7. I think it's a very small number and I'm writing in the product form. As I've told you, scientific notation is in the product form. There is alternative method of doing it also. See, the decimal is here. I have to shift it to the right hand side. So how many places will I take it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So when I'm shifting the decimals to the right hand side, so again just see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it will become 8.9 into 10 to raise power minus 7 when I'm shifting it to the right hand side. So this is the alternate method of doing it. I think both are very clear to you. Now let me do one more example. It is write 5.7 into 10 to the power minus 6 in standard form. How will I do this question? Again, it is, I can write this. This is 5.7 upon 10 to the raised power 6. Now, I want to remove this decimal. So what can I do? I can multiply both numerator and denominator with 10 and 10. So it will become 57 upon 10 to the raised power 7. So decimal will be after how many places? 7. So I'll write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this will be my answer. I think it is clear to you. And another way, a very simple way is, again as I have told you, ki, we know another way also, since the exponent is minus 6. Then move the decimal point 6 places to the left. So if it is, see, 5.7 into 10 to raise power minus 6, it is minus 6. So I have to shift the decimal to the, this is 57 I can write, decimal was here, I have to shift it to the 6th place. So 1, how many, 1 is already there, so I need to put how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because it was here, so 6 places I have to shift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I think you have understood both the way. Right, class? So thank you, class. I'll give you homework. Do those in your notebooks. Thank you.